Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus on in the daily newspaper on Thursday, August the 6th, 2020. We have here the last Sudoku, a tectonic one, and this one will be number 1299. And so let's get started. Alright, I've already filled in the one in the single box, so let's continue. We have a 4 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 3 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 should be here or there. And the 1 is missing. Yeah. And the 1 is missing. I cannot place the 5 here because I need a 5 in one of those two boxes. If I place a 5 here, then I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes, so the 5 should be here. Alright. The same with the number 1. If I place the 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 cannot be here. The 1 goes together with the 3 and the 1. 3 and the 1 as a pair. So 1 box left for the 4. These two boxes should be the 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. It's a quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And then these two boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So these 2 boxes could be a 1. So I mark these 2 boxes. Triple box. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or could be there. If I place the 1 here, then I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. It's a triple box. I need a 1. So the 1 cannot be here. The 1 should be here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. Then the 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and a 3. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2. Then all these 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, but this box can also not be a 2. This box can also not be a 4 because we have a 4 here. So it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 1. So it's a 3 or the 5. 3 or the 5. We have a 5 here, so this should be a 3. So these 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so this box should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. We have a 1 now, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 anymore. The 1 should be here or there. we see here a 1. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We have a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes here or there. We see here already a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3, we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or there. And then these two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 2 boxes left for the 1 should be here or there. These 2 boxes in the triple box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. That means these 4 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 2 boxes left for the 1 here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. Then 1, 2. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, so it's a 3 or 5. 3 or 5. 3 or 5. 1, 2. These 3, 2, 4. We have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, or that box could be a 4. The 2. 1, 4, 5, 3. This box should be a 2. It cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be 5. Yes, it's a 2. So we have now 2 boxes left. The 4 and a 3. We have a 2 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So those 2 boxes could be a 2. And this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 3 and a 4 are left. 3 and a 4. That means this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 2 boxes left for the 2 here and there. 1, 2, 4. This box should be 3 or 5. 3 or 5. It cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 4. 1, 2, 4. This should be also 3 or 5. Alright. I'm very sticky. Look the sweat. I'm dripping. Alright. 3, 2. This box cannot be, these two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5. Those two boxes should be the 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 2 here in one of those two boxes. I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those boxes in the triple box. So the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. This should be the 3. This box cannot be a 3 anymore, so the 3 goes there together with the 5 as a pair. This should be the 4. This should be the 4. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 should be in one of those two boxes. And the 2, this box cannot be a 2 or 5. I need the 2 in one of those two boxes, so the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. These two boxes should be a 2. This box cannot be a 1, so together with the 2 we have a pair. This should be the 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be a 4. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 5. That means this box cannot be a 5 anymore. The 5 goes in these two boxes. 1, 2, yeah. 4, 2, 3, 4. This box cannot be a 3 or 4. 3 or 4. We have a 4 here. 3 could be a 5. This box can be. Alright. 2 and 1. 4 and 3. 1, 3 and 4. 1. This box could be 2 or 4. 2 or 4. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. 2 or 4. 1. This box cannot be a 3 or 4. I need a 3 and 4 there. So it cannot be a 1. So it's a 5 or 2. 2 or 5. It's 4. 4. Box cannot be a 4. Yeah. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. So we have a 3 and a 5 left. 3 and a 5. I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 5. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 3. So the 4 and the 3 are left in this area. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be the 3. We have a 4 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be there, and I have eliminated the 2, so the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this should be a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 4, 3. We have a 5 here. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 should be in one of those two boxes. 3 and a 4. 2, 5, and 4. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 3. 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5.
Trả lời tiếp không hả? Số ai xin hả?
2, 3. 2 and 1. 1, 2, 4, 5. I need a 5. I need a 5. I need a 5. 2, 5. 1, 3, 4. This box can be a 4, 4, 4. 3, 3. 2, 2. 2, 1. I'm missing something. I do not know what. 3, 3. 2 is missing. The 2 is missing here. This box cannot be 2, 3. I need a 2 and a 3 here. Cannot be a 1, 2, 3, 1. So it's a 4 or 5. But the 5, I have here a 5 in one of those two boxes. So it cannot be a 5. So the only box, a digit left, should be the 4. 2 and 5 are left. 2 and 5, let me mark them. That means this box cannot be a 5 anymore. Otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 should be here. 2 and a 5 can also not be a 2. Cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. So it should be a 3 here. We have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be the 4. 2 and 5. 2, 4, and 5. These two boxes, 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are left. That means this box cannot be a 2 or 4, 1 or 3. So it's a 5. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. We have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4. 2 and a 3 are left. 2 and a 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so this box should be the 5. And 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Complicated, but I've solved this within 30 minutes. Do you like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget only if you like, if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. I see you the next time, probably tomorrow for a new edition. See you then. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.